Good morning students, 11th Commerce. Our next topic for mean is today, that is we will study about combined mean. So bacha, when we need combined mean means suppose two series are given to us. Till now we have done about one series only, always we have done about one series. Now suppose two series are given to you or two informations are given to you about two different means and their different numbers of the peoples. So in that case we need to find out combined mean, and it can be combined for two series also, for three series also, for four. It can go as it is needed and required, but today we will discuss about combined mean for two series, that is 1 and 2. It means it will be combined mean for two series. Now this is the formula, that combined mean for two series is equal to n1 into x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar upon n1 plus n2. Now what is here n1 and n2? These n1 and n2 are number of items in the first distribution, first series, and n2 is the number of items in the second distribution or the second series. X1 is the mean of first distribution, x2 is the mean of second distribution. Now how we will use this formula? Let's take this example, find out the combined mean from the following. So in this mean, these are mean, 12 is mean of x1 series, 20 is mean of x2 series, number of items 80 is number of items in x1 series, and 60 is the number of items in x2 series. Now here I have written all the values. n1 is 80, n2 is 60, x1 bar is 12, x2 bar is 20. So what will be the combined mean? We will write down the formula, n1 into x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar upon n1 plus n2. This means they will be multiplied. Here also it means they will be multiplied. So 80 bracket 12, it means 80 into 12 plus 60 into 20. As you know, according to board mass, first of all we have to multiply these. So 80 into 12 will give you 960, 60 into 20 will give you 1200, and your 80 plus 60 will give you 140. 80 into 12 will give you 960, 60 into 20 will give you 1200, 80 plus 40 will give you 140. Now you will add these 1200 plus 960, you will get this 2160, and this is 140. When you divide this 2160 by 140, you will get 15.43. I show you the division also. 2160 divide by 140, 141 ja 140, 6, 11 minus 4 will give you 7, 0, then 5 ja you will get 700, 60 will be left, you will take 0, you will put point, then you will get 4, that you will get 560, 40 will be there, and then 40 is there, again you put 0 and approx 3, you will get answer. So 15.43 will be your answer for this. Now this is the question regarding your corrected mean. Next is the question regarding your corrected mean. Beta, in this type of questions what you have sometimes it happens that you have added some wrong value or taken some wrong value in the question, but for exact calculation the value was something else. So in this cases that wrong value is to be eliminated and new value to be added on. So how we will do that? See, the average weight of the group of 25 boys was calculated to be 52. So what is this 25 here? What is this 25 here, beta? This 25 is n is equal to 25. Now is calculated to be 52 kg. What is this 52? It is x bar. It is x bar. And it was later discovered that one weight was misread as 45 instead of 54. 45 is correct value. 45 is correct value. Incorrect value. 45 is your incorrect value and 54 is your correct value. 54 is your correct value. So when we will read the question, you will just mention all the values, what are the values, what are their meanings. 25 is your number, that is how many people are there, n is equal to 25. Calculated to be 52, this will be your mean for the given information. Afterward it was found that 45 was the wrong information, incorrect value, and 54 was your correct information, that is it is to be added. It was not to be added, but it has been added. Got it? Now you have to calculate the correct weight. Correct weight. First of all, you need to find the value of sigma x. So x bar is equal to sigma x upon n. When you will interchange it, you will get sigma x is equal to, this will multiply by this, so you will get x bar into n. So 25 x bar and this 52, they will be multiplied. So what you will get 1300. What you will get 1300, and what will be the correct value? Now correct value will be sigma x minus incorrect item plus correct item upon n. Sigma x is your 1300, incorrect item is your 45, correct item is your 54. When you will do this calculation using integers, you will get 1300 plus 9 upon 25. So you have got 1300 9 upon 25. Like this you can divide and you will get answer 52.36 kg as your correct mean. Hope you have understood these both new type of questions told to you today. How to find combined mean and how to find corrected mean when wrong mean is given to you and some wrong calculations and values are being added. Getting this thing? Now this much was for today's video. These two new topics you have learned. Thank you and have a nice day.